Are you tired of messy cables, misplaced gadgets, or struggling to find your tech essentials? Today, I've got the solution. Let's dive into the top 5 best tech kits that will not only keep your gear organized, but also add a touch of style and functionality. Whether you're working from home or traveling, these kits are a game changer. Let's get started. First up is the Bellroy Tech Kit, a perfect blend of style, function, and sustainability. Made from recycled, water-resistant woven fabric, this kit not only keeps your tech organized, but also supports eco-friendly practices. It opens flat for easy access, and inside, you'll find a magnetic slip pocket for your power bank, stretch mesh pockets for small gadgets like your mouse or earbuds, an elastic cable organizer to keep cords untangled. What makes it unique? Its clever layout separates larger items from cables, ensuring no messy tangles. Plus, Bellroy's commitment to using recycled materials is a big win for the environment. Next, the ORIENT FAMULAY Travel Organizer, a tech lover's dream for travel and daily use. This bag is all about capacity and flexibility. Here's what it offers. Multiple elastic loops and mesh pockets for USB cables, chargers, SD cards, and even a mini camera. A padded compartment for tablets up to 11 inches. Removable adjustable dividers, so you can customize the layout to suit your needs. And don't worry about accidental splashes or drops. It's made from waterproof and shockproof nylon material. Whether you're traveling for business or camping outdoors, this organizer has you covered. Moving on, we have the Luxtude cord organizer, designed for simplicity and durability. Measuring just 9.4 by 6.3 inches, it's compact enough to fit into your backpack, but spacious enough to store your essentials. Here's why it's awesome. Made from 600D Oxford waterproof material with non-slip elastic loops to keep cables secure. Features a zippered mesh pocket, perfect for hard drives, USBs, and chargers. Includes a dedicated SD card pouch, so you'll never lose those tiny but important storage cards again. Whether for daily use or business trips, this lightweight organizer is a must-have. Fourth on the list is the MATEIN electronics organizer, designed to handle all your tech accessories effortlessly. This organizer is all about flexibility. It has double layers with multiple elastic bands and mesh pockets for cables, chargers, and earbuds. Adjustable padded dividers let you create the perfect layout for your needs. A sturdy handle makes it easy to carry, and the waterproof nylon material ensures your gadgets stay safe. Plus, it even includes a large zippered mesh pocket for tablets up to 7.9 inches. This is an ideal gift for tech enthusiasts or anyone who loves being organized. Finally, the Travel Electronics Organizer, a simple yet versatile solution for those on the go. Here's what it offers. Multiple compartments for cables, chargers, and small gadgets. Lightweight and compact design, making it easy to slip into any bag. Durable construction ensures your tech stays protected no matter where you go. If you're looking for something straightforward and effective, this is a great choice. And there you have it. Our top 5 best tech kits to keep your gadgets organized, protected, and ready to use. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.